In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video link in Dorik. First, open the Dorik login page in your browser. If you're not signed in yet, click the option to sign in and choose your preferred method. If you use Google, select your Google account to continue. After you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the site you want to update and click Edit Site to open the visual editor. Inside the editor, look for the Add Elements panel. If it's not visible, open it from the left sidebar. Locate the video element, then click and drag it onto your page. Drop it right where you want the video to appear, inside a section, a column, or a pre-existing block. You'll see a placeholder video appear in the canvas, and the settings panel for that element will open on the right. With the video element selected, find the video type dropdown in the settings. Open that dropdown and choose Embed. This tells Dorik you're going to provide a link rather than uploading a file. Next, paste your YouTube video URL into the provided field. You can use the standard YouTube link from your browser's address bar or the share link. Make sure the link points to the exact video you want viewers to watch. As soon as you paste it, Dorik will fetch the preview and display it in the canvas so you can confirm you've selected the correct video. Below the URL field, you'll see player configuration options. These control how the video behaves. Common settings include showing or hiding the player controls, choosing whether the video autoplays, muting on start, looping, and sometimes start time. If you want autoplay, remember many browsers only allow it when the video is muted, so enable mute to ensure consistent behavior. Hiding controls can create a cleaner look, but leaving them on helps viewers navigate and adjust volume, which is often a better user experience. You can also adjust the video width and height. For most layouts, a responsive width works best so the video scales on different screens. If you're entering specific sizes, aim to keep a 16:9 ratio. For example, 1280 by 720 or 640 by 360, so the video doesn't look stretched. If you see an option to maintain aspect ratio, keep it enabled to prevent distortion. That's it. You've added a YouTube video to your Dorik page, selected Embed, pasted the link, fine-tuned the player settings, and sized the video for a clean, responsive layout. Your changes will reflect in the editor, and you're ready to move on with your design.